welcome to the webinar. This is webinar number 8 in our series of ChartGO, the one solution and unlimited potential. Today, we're zooming in on yet another element. But before we get there, thank you for joining us. Really appreciate your time. I hope you're going to get value today out of looking in a bit more detail at customization, white labeling of your entire setup, how that can be beneficial for you, and what that could look like, and what could be customized to give your end user the ultimate experience of complete customization and white labeling. So, as always, I'm going to start with our video. What is ChartGO? Instead of me telling you, let's take a look at this.
Your team has incredible potential, but turning that potential into performance, that takes more than content. It takes structured journeys, social learning, and real accountability. ChartGO brings it all together so your people can grow faster, perform better, and stay future ready. We're not just an LMS. We're not just a content library. ChartGO is a complete learning ecosystem built specifically for small and mid-sized businesses. Over 750 ready-to-launch courses spanning leadership, compliance, soft skills, and productivity tools. Custom learning paths designed with you, not for you. We sit down, understand your team's needs, and build structured journeys with clear start dates, milestones, and outcomes. Expert partnership at a fraction of traditional costs. Think of us as your L&D business partner, guiding you from skills gap to real implementation. Here's the difference. We don't just deliver formal learning. We integrate social learning, peer cohorts where teams share best practices, reflect together, and learn from each other's real experiences. We build in accountability by tracking progress, celebrating wins, and focusing on what matters most: actual behavior change. Because completing a course is one thing. Applying it to drive results, that's where transformation happens. The result? Increased productivity, stronger employee retention, true business continuity. This isn't about checking boxes. It's about creating an intentional learning culture where your people connect theory to practice, teams grow together, and learning drives your organizational strategy forward. ChartGO. One solution, unlimited potential. Ready to unlock your team's full potential? Let's build your learning journey together.
So you will remember from a couple of webinars back, we zoomed in on the AI-powered LMS, and one of the key features that we really highlighted was the customization and branding of your setup. So making sure you can set up your unique experience for your end user. So today, that's where we're going to zoom in a lot more and really talk about this architecture and availability of your standalone training business. Just to remind you, there's two options we have in the ChartGO package. Option 1, where we have what we call the growth plan, where you can work on the Chart Learning Solutions platform. So it's Chart Learning Solutions branding, and you can tie in your experience to that and set up your students, your users on that platform. Or you can go to the scale plan, where you can have complete control over your platform, making it uniquely yours and aligning to your corporate identity. So let's take a look at this in more detail. So when we talk about the custom domain, so what are the key features when we talk about white labeling? So folks, the first thing is that you will get a custom domain. So you can set up your company training abc.com, and that is the URL that your users will use to log in. We can talk about logo integration. Your logo appears consistently across all the pages. It is a completely your branding that your users will see. It's a branded login experience. So from the login experience, the first step, the user gets to interact with your look and feel and your corporate identity. You can customize the emails that get sent out to the to the users, whether they are signing up, whether they are getting reminders, whether they have completed the course. So you can customize these emails in terms of who they come from, the tone and voice to align it to what clients experience from you. And then of course there's zero other branding. So there's zero branding from Chart Learning or anything else that will make it feel like it is not your own branding. So as you can see, each touch point reinforces your brand and your positioning. You create a consistency across the full user journey. And that is the real value for us with this unique white labeling solution. All right, now let's talk a bit more about the visual branding. So the Chart AI-powered LMS gives you complete control over visual elements that define your brand identity. So from the first visit to that final certificate, as I mentioned earlier, it maintains consistent styling that reflect your professional standards. So that is another critical element where everything that you will discover, from brand colors, the interface layouts, typography, logo placement, everything is uniquely yours. Now let's look a bit beyond the visuals. So let's talk about how the experience that a learner or a user will get moving on this learner journey as such. So true brand consistency extends beyond just the colors and logos. That is phase one. But what we're really interested in is to make sure that every interaction with your platform shapes learners' perception and reinforces your professional identity. So if we think of welcome emails, first impressions matter. We craft onboarding messages that set the tone for your entire learning experience. If you think about course navigation, design intuitive pathways through content that feel natural and reinforce your brand's approach to education. If you think about the progress messages, celebrate milestones with encouragement that matches your brand's voice and keep learners motivated. The community tone, shape discussion forums and peer interactions with guidelines that reflect your brand values and culture and what users have become accustomed to when working with you. And then, of course, if we talk about certificates, share certificates that learners can proudly share, featuring your design, your look and feel that can be incorporated on your platform as such. So you can see, really making sure we go through the entire learning journey with this in mind is critical for us. Now, let's talk a bit about essential platform integrations. So extend your white labeled platform's capability with seamless connections to the tools your business already uses. These integrations ensure data consistency, operational efficiency, and not just in one area, but across your entire learning ecosystem. So I've highlighted a couple here on screen, but you can see there's Zapier automations, Google Analytics, LTI compatibility, where you can bring in third-party content as such, HubSpot CRM, MailChimp, and other emailing campaigns that you might use, current programs you might use that you can integrate, and of course, many, many more. Now, what are the benefits of the white labeled training platform, if you need to highlight it in short? So for us, it's really about brand control. It's about revenue retention, making sure that there's no sharing of commissions. It's your platform that you have invested a lot of time and effort to get it looking spot on. Direct customer relationships, you own the entire relationship from start to finish. So really a nice impression you create. Flexible customization. So again, being able to really set this up in a way and a style that's going to fit and suit your platform or your area. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is the white labeled solution explained very briefly. And what I'm going to do now is also show you some examples. But before that, I think just to wrap up, start building a branded learning experience today, ladies and gentlemen. It's possible. As you can see, the focus for us is on clarity, consistency, and the unique user experience. Right, so here we go. First up, I'm showing you the Chart Learning Solutions, our own unique page that we've created. So you can see if you're coming here, talking really about the highlights, the importance, the milestones, the key areas for us to work with. All right, then I'm going to show you another one, which is another training setup provider, and you can see again different URL at the top here. All right, different look and feel and layout. All right. Again, I want to just show you what is possible. Then if you look, here's another one that we got. This is a local university in South Africa. And you can see courses highlighted there. This is a very simplistic setup, but still looks professional and clean and easy for users to understand and get on top of. All right, let's take a look at another one. So you can see everything unique to each client as such. Okay, and here's another one. This is in the musical space. And here's even one from a client in Portuguese. So completely customized for their language. And as you can see, if you go into any of them, again, that is the look and feel. It stays at the top of the page, and you can see some more details popping up. And again, you have full control over all of these. All right. Thank you so much for joining us in this webinar. If there's any questions you got, please reach out to us. If there's anything that you would need help with or assistance with, or if you want to dig a bit deeper and understand this in more detail, please book some time with me. Let's discover and discuss in more detail, making sure that this is a good fit for you and your team.